In this video, I will show you how you can insert a page number in your Microsoft Word document, and also I will also try to answer the questions that how to start a page number from page 2 or from page 3, or for that matter how to start a new page numbering from any specific page within your Word document. To start the tutorial about the page numbering, you need to know about the two things. One, the how the headers and footers in the Microsoft Word document operate, and how the page break or section break takes place in the Microsoft Word document. The easiest part we will handle first, that is the header and footer sections. The this blank space which is on the top of the page, and similarly the blank space which is on the bottom of the page, these are called the headers and footers respectively. And you can add your titles and page numbering etc within these headers and footers. And to do that, you need to just do a double click in this empty space, and your header and your footer section will be activated automatically. In case you are unable to activate this through a double click, you just need to go to the insert tab, and in insert tab you have this header and footer options over here. I'm just going to click this header, and from here you can see that you can add the uh, different text here, and you can just click the edit header, and your header section will be activated. Here you can give the running heading as well as the page numbering in your document. For example, this is my assignment and I want to give it a page numbering. So I will give the title and the page number. So I have given it my assignment as a title, and in order to insert a page number within this header section, I'll just press a tab. It will take me to the center of the page. If I want to insert a page number over here, I can just go to this page number. Remember that it is within this design tab. This design tab will automatically activated once your header section is activated. So within that you have this page numbering. You can just click that, and then from here you can come to the current position and select the page numbering, and your page number has been inserted over here. But in case you want to give this page numbering towards the right side of the page, you can you can just press one tab, and it will take the page numbering towards the extreme right. Or else, if I want to insert a page number towards the extreme right, I can do that by clicking over this space and then go to the page number and select current position and give the page number over here. Now once you are done, you can close the header, and now you see that your my assignment and page numbering will appear on all the pages. My assignment is appearing on the left hand side and the page numbering on the right side of the top of your page. Now if I want my page numbering to be on the bottom of the page, I can simply delete this from over here, and I want this my title to be in the center of the page. I can just go to the home, make it center line, and then from the design I can go to the footer, and it will take me to the footer section. If I want to go manually, I can just come down to the page and click in the footer section, and here I can insert the page or any text. Now in this example we are adding the page number over here. I am going to make it right align because I want the page number to be on the extreme bottom right side of my page. So the cursor is now over here. I will go to the design tab and then go to the page number, and from here I will select the current position and I will select the plain number, and my page number has been inserted over here. Now the title of my assignment is on the header section center align, and the page number is on the bottom are in the footer section towards the right side. The second portion which I said that I'm going to answer, that if you don't want your page 1 to have a page numbering, rather you want to start your page numbering from page 2 or for that matter page 3. So how to do that? For that you need to understand the page break and section break. In the Microsoft Word document, you have the option to break down your whole document into different sections. And the advantage would be that you can give a different page numbering to your different sections. Click on the last part of your first page, because we want to have a page number starting from page 2. Just go to the layout, and from here click breaks, and from here come over to the section break, and then click next page, as it is saying that insert a section break and start a new section of the page. So this way we have created two sections within our document. Right now there is no visible change in our text, but whenever I will select the header and footer sections, you will notice that in the first page my header contains the word section 1, whereas in the page 2 my header contains the section 2. Similarly, the footer of page 1 contains section 1 and the footer of page 2 contains section 2, which means that after page 1 my document has been divided into two sections. The section 1 contains only the first page, whereas the section 2 contains page 2 to page 4. Now I want to give a page numbering, or rather I want to start my page numbering from page 2. In order to do that, I need to do just one more step after this section break. You need to just click in your page 2 header section, and then you need to delink this section from the section 1. So I have just clicked it, and now the header section has been delinked from the section 1. Similarly, the header section of section 2 needs to be delinked from the section 1. So I am just going to click somewhere in the footer section of section 2, and I'm going to click link to previous, deselect that. Now this section 2 has been delinked from the section 1, and I can now delete the page number from the page 1, and I can go to the footer section or wherever I want to insert a page in the page 2. I am going to go there. I'm going to select the right side where I want to insert a page number. Go to the design, again page number tab, and then from here current position select plain number, and your page number has been inserted. But as you are seeing that it is not starting from page while your first page or page 1 does not have a page number, but your page number 2 is mentioning that it is page 2. If you are satisfied with this, or if you want it to be like that, it is okay. But if you want to start page number 1 from your page number 2 of the Word document, you can also do that by formatting this page number. Again, going to the design tab, page number, and over here in the drop down menu there is an option of format page numbers. In that, by default it is selected continue from previous section. Instead of that, you can just click start add and give a specific digit from where you want to start the page number. Since we want to start it at 1, I'm just going to click 1 and click OK, and then close the headers. Now you see that let me show it to you in this format. This is my page 1. It does not have any page number, and this is my page 2, and it has a page number starting from page 1, 2, and then page 3. So this is how you can start or you can insert a page number in page 2 or page 3 or any specific portion of the page. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.